In this guide, I'll show you how to get more storage on Farcaster. On Farcaster, storage space is essential for utilizing the platform's features, whether you're posting updates, storing media, or engaging in other activities. Having sufficient storage is crucial, and here's a guide on how to check and purchase storage space on Farcaster. Begin by opening the Farcaster app on your device. Navigate to the Settings menu. In the Settings menu, find and select the Storage option. Here, you can view your current storage usage and available space. You can purchase storage space via two methods. First one is to purchase within the app. In the Storage section of the app, select the option to purchase storage. Choose the amount and select Visa as your payment method. And enter your card details and confirm your purchase. The second method is via caststorage.com. Open your web browser and go to caststorage.com. Log in with your Farcaster account credentials and choose the amount of storage you wish to purchase. Select your preferred payment method and complete the transaction. Your purchased storage will be reflected in your Farcaster account. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.